In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly Stripe integration. If you want guests to pay at the time they book, connecting Calendly to Stripe is a simple way to collect secure payments and keep everything in one place. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, sign in to your Calendly account. It's easiest to do this on a desktop browser so you can see all the options clearly. Once you are in, head over to the Integrations and Apps section. This is where Calendly keeps all its official connections to other services. Scroll or search until you find Stripe. Then click it to open the details. Next, choose Connect Stripe. You'll be prompted to log in to your existing Stripe account, or you can create a new one if you don't have it yet. During this step, authorize Calendly so it can accept payments on your behalf. This connection is what enables Calendly to pass booking and payment information to Stripe securely. With Stripe connected, it's time to turn on payments for the event you want to charge for. Open that event type, select Edit, and expand the payment section. Here, toggle on Require Payment to book this meeting. This switch ensures guests must complete payment before their booking is confirmed, which helps reduce no-shows and protects your time. In the same section, choose Stripe as the payment processor. You'll then enter the payment amount and select the currency. Set a clear, round number that matches your pricing and pick the currency your audience expects to pay in. This is also a great moment to double-check any pricing tiers you offer and ensure the amount aligns with the value of the session. If your services are international, consider whether the chosen currency works for most of your clients. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. The integration is live. From now on, when someone books that event, they'll see the payment requirement during checkout. Pay securely via Stripe and receive confirmation only after the payment is processed. You'll see bookings and payment details reflected in your Calendly event and your Stripe dashboard, making reconciliation much easier. A few final tips to keep things smooth: make your event description clear about what's included in the session, and communicate any refund or cancellation policies upfront. Also, keep your pricing consistent across your website and event pages to avoid confusion. And that's how you set up Calendly Stripe integration from start to finish. Thanks for watching.